and welcome to Volcano News. Today we're going to talk about Eyjafjallajökull, a volcano located in the southeastern part of Iceland. To join us, we have Dr. Kurz, a Swedish volcano specialist. So, Dr. Kurz, you work with studying volcanoes, and you have recently been studying Eyjafjallajökull?
Yes, since it erupted on the 20th of March, I have been studying it. And the last eruption of Eyjafjallajökull was in 1821. And that eruption was followed by an eruption of Katla, which is another volcano right east of Eyjafjallajökull. And we do hope that Katla does not erupt again.
Oh, we hope so. Dr. Kurz, where in Iceland was Eyjafjallajökull located?
Well, Eyjafjallajökull is located in the southeastern part of Iceland, 120 kilometers away from the capital, Reykjavik. Two of the closest cities are Fuglsvör and Vik.
So, how dangerous was this eruption of Eyjafjallajökull?
Well, there was a warning of a pyroclastic flow, which is a lava or mud flow. And so, therefore, only 500 people had to move and leave the area. And they were scared of a pyroclastic flow because there was one in the last eruption in 1821. But fortunately, there were no pyroclastic flow and the people could move back. But there was not only people who were affected, but the wild horses of Iceland were also affected. And the groups of Icelandic horses were moved because of an enormous ash cloud that came from the eruption. The ash cloud forced airlines to cancel their flights for up to $1.7 billion lost.
So, can you tell us a little about how does a volcano form?
Well, a volcano is formed by two moving tectonic plates, and when they move away from each other, they are called divergent boundaries. And divergent boundaries usually form rift valleys or volcanoes, and that's what happened to Eyjafjallajökull.
So, can you tell us about what caused the eruption of Eyjafjallajökull?
What caused Eyjafjallajökull to erupt was the magma inside pressing and pressing until it burst out into an explosive eruption. That is also what forms what kind of volcano Eyjafjallajökull is, and it's a composite volcano. And composite volcanoes form up by cinder, lava, and ashes coming out from the volcano. So it builds kind of like a cone shape.
So, Dr. Kurz, why did Eyjafjallajökull produce so much ash?
Well, Eyjafjallajökull is a glacial volcano, and a glacial volcano is a volcano covered with a thick layer of ice. And because the sides were covered in ice, the lava that flowed down the mountainside cooled rapidly. And as a result of this rapid cooling, glacial volcanoes usually produce a lot of small ash particles.
Thank you very much for coming, Dr. Kurz, and have a great day. Hope now that you know a little more about Eyjafjallajökull. And that was everything for today from Volcano News.
Supersonic brainwaves.